Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you how to set up your featured image as your post title background in WordPress blocksy. Okay, so we have our title here, and what if we wanted to use this one or whatever we set up as our featured image as the background of this, like a cover photo? Let's go ahead and click on Customize and enter the WordPress Customizer. On our left-hand sidebar, let's scroll down to Single Post. And under Post Title, let's click on that. We have two options, Type 1 and Type 2 over here. Let's click on Type 2, and that's what we're looking for. And you can see we have our featured image as our background. Now, how do we configure this? Okay, so we have our, let's start with our text here. So let's change this to white probably. And this as well. Extra font color. Let's just change these to white just so we can see everything. Breadcrumbs font to white. This one to white. This one to white as well. And now we can see where this is going, right? We can also put an image overlay color. We can make it gray, 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 or red. It really depends on what your mood is for what you're doing. But I feel like we would benefit if we were to put a dark image overlay here. Something like that. Or, again, we can use the black and darken it up a bit. And what else can we do? We can also change the alignment of our text here. We can make it wider. We can change the image to something small, right? Let's just use full size. And then we can also put the parallax effect on it. So when we scroll down, you see it moves a bit. And we can change like the minimum, maximum height of it, right? If you wanted to make it bigger or smaller. Okay, so I'm happy with that. Again, it's up to you how you want to change the colors and the fonts and everything. But that's how you enable your featured image as your cover photo or background image for your post title in WordPress blocksy. So let's click on Publish to save our changes. Let's reload our site. And you now have your featured image as your background image. That's a mouthful. For your title in your posts in WordPress blocksy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.